Team number 2 from Reliance Home Comfort in beautiful Niagara Falls at the Sheraton on the Falls. And we've got team number 3 getting ready to do battle. Team number 3, are you ready? Are you ready? All right. Ladies and gentlemen, the first of the races. On your marks, get set, and go. Gingerly. Help her in. Get her in the middle of the boat. In the middle. Very nice. Don't paddle too hard. Slow, easy paddling. Over there, Anish. There we go.
Tracy,
gently. 2 lengths. One last length. One last length. Bring it home. Bring it home. And she has made it. Very well done. Help her out. How you doing, Ian? Bring one more length there, Albert. He's the most questionable of the two here. We're doing good. Bring it back. Almost. Bring it home.
3, right?
Very good. He is home. 100% float ratio. 100%.
All right. Good job.
Well done. Excellent.
You're winning the league.